It's a thrift haul from Habitat for Humanity. Want to know what I got? Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had the opportunity to go to Habitat for Humanity, the Restore. This is a place I haven't been to in, I'd say, almost a year. But if you know Habitat for Humanity, they have some really nice stuff. I mean, things that their stuff is really clean. It's set out nicely. It's a really good shopping experience, and the prices are good. I think the prices are good. To me, I don't know. They seem to be a little better than Goodwill, at least in my area. But got some really, really nice stuff. I walked around, as you can see, I was walking around the dishes and houseware sections. Primarily, I was looking for some of the blue and white ceramic vases and ginger jars and things like that that I collect. So I did see a few things. As you can see, I did put them in the basket, but some really, really nice stuff. Milk glass, a lot of teapots, and some really nice things for people who collect milk glass. Things were so nice. And this place had moved. I showed up at the original location and found out they had moved to a bigger spot next door. And I think it was used to be a Stop and Shop or something. And they were in there and it was nicer, it was cleaner. This place was really, really nice. So one of the things that I saw that was really cute was this little bench. It's like a miniature bench that I had to snap up. I think it was $7. I had to snap this thing up. It was so, so cute. I did find some blue and white ceramic things. I found a really nice white ginger jar, just solid white. So I picked that up. And most of the stuff, I don't think I paid more than $4 for most of the stuff, except I did find, of course, the bench, which was $7. And I found some chargers, a set of 10 chargers that were $10. And I'll show all this stuff at the end. But the experience at the Habitat for Humanity is such a good shopping experience. I mean, just walking around because they have furniture. And as I said, everything is in really good order. I love an experience where everything is laid out nicely. It makes it such a nice experience. Although I don't mind digging through things and getting my hands in everything because, if you're a thrifter, sometimes you have to do a little digging. So I got my stuff and went to the wrapping station. I did negotiate for one item that didn't have a tag on it and seemed to belong to another group of items that I saw. So the lady gave me all three pieces for $4, and that was an excellent buy. So, and that was a clear like a clear cake stand, or I would say a muffin stand that I got, and like a crystal muffin stand. I found it in the dollar section, but apparently there was a bowl and a longer dish that seemed to match it that were $4 and $5 respectively. So I took them to the front, and the lady said, "I'll give you all three pieces for $4." Scored. So that was an awesome experience. The bench, as I said, I love that little bench. I don't know where I'm going to use it, but I know I'm going to use it somewhere because it's so, so, so cute. And the chargers were $10. But all in all, I think I really scored. So I took some time at the end to just wrap everything up at the wrapping station, which is kind of customary at Habitat for Humanity. They will provide paper for you to wrap your goods in, and boxes and bags and things like that for you to wrap your own stuff at the wrapping station. So I did do that, but I think I did really well this time. I am so happy that that I went, and I had like about an hour or so to shop. I just went in there, as I said, I'm always looking for blue and white pieces, ceramic pieces. And I did find some really nice pieces. I would suggest, if you haven't hit up the Habitat for Humanity Restore, check them out. And I don't mind so much because I know that the money goes to a good cause. So it's always a good experience there. But thank you guys for following me and riding with me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll show you everything that I picked up at the end. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in my next production.